If your Banshee's clutch engagement feels off, this one adjustment will fix it. See ya. Bink. Boom. Alright, so we got the clutch basket and the clutch pack installed. So now what we got to do next is adjust the clutch arm to the new clutch pack. And the clutch arm is up here. And what we got to try to achieve is take the point of that clutch arm right here and line it up with the point on that case. And the way we adjust that is you come over here to the side of the clutch, you loosen up that 12mm nut, and you adjust that Phillips head rod in or out. As you adjust that Phillips head rod in or out, that's going to move this arm left or right. And then you adjust it to where those 2 points meet up. Once you get those 2 points to meet up, you come over here and you lock down that 12mm nut, and you're all adjusted. So let's get this bad boy adjusted. See ya. Over your Phillips head, start adjusting it. And as you turn it, that arm's going to start moving. So let's take a look at where it's at. So you turn it to the right, it moves the arm to the left. You turn it to the left, it moves the arm to the right. So let's line up these 2 points right there. Now let's lock down the nut. All right, let's take a look at the arm. Boom, she's all lined up. All right, baby. All right, so you line up those 2 points, you lock down that 12mm, you guys are ready to hit the trails again and start tearing stuff up. Have fun, guys. See ya. Peace.